I actually cannot believe this sneaker is dropping. This is hands down the most anticipated sneaker release of the year, and from what the images are showing, it looks like it will definitely live up to the hype. Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. My name is Edmund, and here we are again at the start of the month. Last month we saw some decent releases like the Fragment Nike Dunk highs, but there's a sneaker supposedly dropping this month that blows the Fragment Nike Dunks out of the water. So let's get straight into it. On July the 6th, we'll be seeing the release of the Air Jordan 1 Low Black Medium Grey, retailing for £100. It does seem that Jordan 1 Lows are definitely receiving a lot more love nowadays. Not as much as the highs, but definitely more than the mids. This Jordan 1 Low comes with a crisp white leather base, which is contrasted with black overlay found around the toe area, the eye stays, tongue, collars and the heel. Along with the black parts of the shoe are great accents from the Nike swoosh, the Jumpman on the tongue and the iconic Air Wings logo found on the heel. The low top sneaker sits on a white midsole finished off by a black outer sole. On the 10th of July, we'll be seeing the release of the Air Jordan 3 Racer Blue, retailing for £170. This popular Jordan model sneaker features premium white tumbled leather throughout the upper. The white leather is then broken up by black elephant graphics on the heel and mudguard of the sneaker. The finishing touches of this Jordan 3 come from the Racer Blue accents, like across the midsole, eye holes for the laces and the ankle collar. This Racer Blue colorway seems to have taken inspiration from the unreleased Fragment Jordan 3 sample, which is just another example of Jordan Brand using similar hype sneakers as inspiration. The 15th of July will be seeing the release of the Nike Dunk Low Grey Fog, retailing for £95. This is the latest color for the highly coveted sneaker. This dunk features a grey and white combination with the grey fog overlay sitting on the white leather upper. Along with the white leather base comes the clean white midsole above the grey outsole. The other grey elements of the sneaker can be found on the tab of the white tongue as well as your grey laces. This Dunk Low Grey Fog definitely reminds me of the Jordan 1 Low Berlin Grey, which I happen to mention in the cheaper sneaker alternatives video, link in the description. On the 24th of July, retailing for £140 will be the release of the Air Jordan 5 Oreo. It seems Jordan Brand are going back in the archives, bringing back classic colorways of popular releases. First released in 2013, the Jordan 5 Oreo comes in a murdered up black nubuck upper with a clean white midsole, which sits on a translucent outsole. The Oreo nickname comes from the fighter jet inspired shark teeth on the sides of the sneaker in black with white specks. I like these a lot because I'm a big fan of black sneakers, and Jordan 5s are my favourite Jordan model. On the topic of Jordan models, comment down below your favourite Jordan model. On the 29th of July, we'll be seeing the release of the Travis Scott X Fragment Air Jordan 1 High, retailing for £140. Where does one even start with this sneaker? This is actually crazy to think that this sneaker is releasing two heavyweights in the sneaker game. Travis Scott and Hiroshi Fujiwara are joining forces to release a Jordan 1 High. This sneaker is dressed in a sail black, military blue and shy pink colour scheme. The sneaker consists of a white leather upper mixed with blue parts like the toe box, the heel, ankle and the outsole. The black accents of the sneaker come from the iconic Travis Scott reverse swoosh, laces, the cactus jack and Fragment logo on the heel. Giving this crazy sneaker an age look is the sail midsole. If you think you have seen this colour blocking before, then you are correct. This is actually the same colour blocking we've seen on the original Fragment Jordan 1 sample from 1985. But let me know which of the 5 you're looking forward to the most. Could it be the clean and simple Nike Dunk Grey Fog, or even the super hyped Travis Scott Fragment Jordan 1 highs? Feel free to drop your thoughts and any questions in the comment section down below. If you are eyeing those clean and simple Dunk Low Grey Fogs, then you might like this video on the Nike Dunk High Panda, or if you're looking for Jordan 1s, then this video on the Jordan 1 University Blue might be for you. Be sure to leave a like if you enjoyed this video and subscribe for future videos like this. You can also catch me on Instagram where I'm most active, so feel free to drop your boy a follow if you have not already. It'll be much appreciated. Thank you for tuning in to this video. I'll see you in the next one. As always, stay blessed.